Good morning, friends. Myself Alpesh sir from Arihan Coaching. I am with the new video for Standard 10 students. I am explaining Chapter 11 Construction, and according to the revised syllabus, Exercise 11.2 is compulsory. So, friends, it is very easy and it is one of the easiest chapters of mathematics, and students, you will get definitely full marks if you repeatedly watch this video and mind well all the arcs, all the instructions we have to follow. So friends, first question of exercise 11.2 I have written on the board, so concentrate here. Draw a circle of radius 6 centimeter from a point 10 centimeter away from the center. Construct tangents. It means we have to construct two tangents, as we know that we can construct two tangents from the outer side point of the circle. How can we know that the point is outer side? You can see radius is given 6 centimeter and the distance of a point from the center is 10 centimeter. So friends, you should concentrate here. First I will draw a circle with the given measurement 6 centimeter with this compass. Friends, we have to take 6 centimeter measurement with the compass. Here I have taken 6 centimeter measurement and I will draw a circle. So it is a circle with 6 centimeter measurement. It is a 6 centimeter radius. We have to construct a circle like this. It is 6 centimeter radius circle. So we have to construct a circle having radius 6 centimeter. You can see, and it is the center. As we know, we can say center is O. Now from O, we are given a distance of a point is 10 centimeter. So with the help of scale, we have to get a point away from the center. It is 10 centimeter. So here I will get up to 10 centimeter distance a point. So from that point we have drawn a line, it is P. So friends, OP is given 10 centimeters. So here it is 10 centimeter distance. Now from P we have to construct two arcs. How can we construct these two arcs? That we will get now. So first we have to get the midpoint of OP. We have to get midpoint of OP, and for that we have to take more than half of OP. It is more than half. So more than half measurement we have to take, and we should draw two arcs, one upside and one downwards. From these two arcs, again we have to cut these arcs from O, one upside and the other downwards. Friends, from these two arcs we have to draw a perpendicular line. We can say it is X, it is Y. We should join X and Y. XY is the perpendicular bisector of OP. So this XY is the perpendicular bisector of OP, and where XY and OP intersect we can say it is M. M is the midpoint of OP. Now from M we have to construct a circle. We have to draw a circle. So from M we should put a pin of compass, then we should take a measure approximately with the compass. Both must be equal. Yes, we can see this measurement is exactly identical, and from here I have constructed or drawn a a circle that must be passed through both the points, and where these both the circles intersect, we have to give a name particularly to it. So here we have completed the circle. Now where both the circles intersects, we should give name A and B. So friends, we have to draw PA and PB. PA and PB are two tangents from given circle. So here we have to join P and A. These 2 points we have to join, and we have to draw a tangent. You can see friends, these are the tangents that are required in the construction. So another tangent is P to B. So PA and PB are two tangents. I can say that its radius is 6 centimeter. We are given, and distance of O to P is 10 centimeters. I hope friends you understand this construction. Once again, what have I done friends? With the help of compass, I have drawn a circle with 6 centimeter radius. After taking 6 centimeter radius, we have to draw a point P away from the center 10 centimeter. It is 10 centimeter. O to P friends. Then we have to find midpoint of OP. How will we find? We have to take more than half measurement of OP. Then from P we have to draw two arcs, upward and downwards, with the same measurement from O, upward and downward. Where both the arcs meet, we have written X and Y. Join XY, and these XY intersect OP at M. M is the midpoint of OP. Now by taking center from M, we have to draw a circle by taking radius OMO or MP. This circle intersect the original circle at A and B. Now we have to draw line PA, line PB. Line PA and line PB are our required lines. I hope friends you understand it. Now I will write down the points. See, here I am writing points. First, draw a circle using radius 6 centimeter and O is the center. Number 2, get a point P such that OP is equal to 10 centimeter. Number 3, get or construct a perpendicular bisector of OP that intersects OP at M. Draw a circle by taking center M and radius MO or MP that intersects the given circle at A and B. Draw lines AP and BP. Hence, AP and BP are our required lines. I hope you understand this construction. Friends, you have to repeatedly watch this video and practice continuously. You should get the arcs clearly beta. Okay, I will just come with the new video friends.